So, as part of World Health Day and Prapancha Arogya Dinotsavam, today we will discuss what is the relation between health and environment. What is the mutual relation between health and environment? Health and environment. First thing, human health and environment are two separable entities. Human health, environment. If one disturbed, suppose environment disturbed, health will be automatically disturbed. If one disturbed, other will be automatically disturbed. Generally, a physically fit person not suffering from any disease is called a healthy person. Healthy person is a physically fit, physically good, physically sound. But the factors like nutritional, biological, chemical, psychological, which causes harmful changes in the body's condition are called disease. Nutritional, whatever food we are taking. Biological, I mean, suppose if we have to sleep around 9 or 10 in the night, but we won't go to sleep by 9 or 10 in the night time. We will sleep, we will go to bed by 12 or 1 p.m. And then we will wake up by morning 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. There is a lot of biological disturbances in our body. If we are taking proper sleep during night, that is good for all our important parts like lungs, heart, brain, everything, kidneys, everything will be refreshed. If we are not doing like that due to our, any environmental factors, whatever it may be, if we may not take proper rest, proper sleep, that is also harm to our health. Chemical or physiological changes, chemical changes, environment effect. Continuously, if we are affecting a person is working in mines or any industries, chemical industries, they are continuously exposing to that particular chemicals. Our surrounding is completely exposed, environment is exposed, and then completely thing is disrupted. That is the problem. Physiological, which cause harmful changes in the body conditions, are also called. It is a disease. But the factors like nutrition, biological, chemical, physiological, everything has to balance. Everything has to expose, which cause harmful changes in the body's conditions called disease. Something depends on our individual. We are exposing, we are harming to our health. Something is due to environment. That is the problem. Actually, earth surface and surrounding environment is very important to human health. Actually, as part of nature, as part of environment, everything is good. But due to our disturbances, whatever harming to our environment, whatever polluting the nature, due to several aspects, anthropogenic aspects, millions of people is suffered, injured, die every year due to illness caused by the environmental pollution. That is the problem. What are the important hazards and their health effects? First thing is physical hazards and their health effects. Radioactive radiations. These are affects the cells in the body and the function of, hormones, glands, various glands, then organs, major organs. Due to continuous exposure, people may suffer from the cancer, skin diseases, cataract diseases like that. Continuous exposure of ultraviolet radiation also facing many problems due to global warming, temperature rises, causes mortality rate, feminine mortality rate, as well as various skin diseases due to extra ultraviolet rays, chlorofluorocarbons. This damage the ozone layer, allows more ultraviolet rays, cause skin cancer. That is also a problem. Noise in heavy roads, industrial area, continuously people are suffering painful and then irreparable damage to human ear as well as disturbance, continuously disturbing without fees. These are the physical hazards, physical effects. Various aspects, chemical hazards and their effects. Something by combustion of fuels or mining activities, asthma, bronchitis, and other lung diseases. Also, industrial effluents. Many various toxins will release. They kill cells and cause cancer and death. Pesticides. Day to day in the agriculture, due to green revolution, various kind of pesticides, fungicides, excessive amount are using, spraying for agriculture. These everything enter into our living being systems. That is also facing problem, lot of problem, various issues are we are getting due to that also. Breathing problem, suffering suffocation, harmful for all living, not only human beings, all living beings, which affect the entire ecosystem, total ecosystem, especially producers also facing lot of problem. Biological hazards, bacteria, virus, parasites, useful, ecologically friendly bacteria, virus, and then which are useful to our agriculture as well as our systems also facing problem. At the same time, sometimes worms and then other things also propagating, like malaria, parasitic worms, anemia, respiratory diseases, everything due to biological aspects. Where we have to take the preventive measures? From due to for COVID as well as then parasitic worms, and then to reducing anemic conditions, and then any diseases, cholera, you has to clearly wash your hands before sitting food, before taking food, then before while eating or drinking. First thing that is there. Then cut short and clean your nails systematically to reduce your anemic conditions from the parasitic worms. Maintaining the skin, teeth, hair of our body good. Drinking chemically treated and filtered water. Here you have to take care about mineral water. At that time also you have to do everything is balanced or not. Eat proper food always while it is in hot condition. Food should be hot at the same time as well as proper nutrition. You has to maintain. You has to maintain balance in the proper nutritional conditions. Before cooking, wash raw vegetables and fruits with clean water. Before eating fruits, you have to clean fruits, everything. Try to avoid plastic containers and aluminum vessels because these are also having a lot of contamination. Due to that, also our digestive system will be affected. Do physical exercise to have proper blood circulation in the body. Then not only blood circulation, each and every organism will be activate, stimulate with physical exercise. And then take yoga and meditation also for proper health. Everything is there at the same time with good environment. By conserving our environment, by protecting our environment, we can get good health. Or otherwise, health and environment is playing vital role. Each are, both are mutually interdependable. Everything we has to correlate it. First, we has to conserve our environment. We has to protect our environment. By that only we can get good health and then proper health.